Hey, good morning, guys. How are you today? Hope you're doing well. Today I have another product. This is from Rosano's. It's called a wood butter. And I kind of looked out for this because I've had a couple of people who have complained, or not complained, but they've questioned about using mineral oil on cutting boards. A couple of people are concerned about, putting a petroleum-based product into their bodies and stuff like that. So after a little searching, I found Rosano's, and they make theirs out of just two ingredients. It's coconut oil and it's yellow beeswax. Now, my first thought was, well, coconut oil can go rancid, so you got to be really careful with that. You wouldn't want that going rancid in your board. But after talking to Luca and Carolyn, the owners of the company, it turns out that they have like a stabilized pharmaceutical or cosmetic grade product that just doesn't go rancid over a long time. So it's safe to use on these cutting boards. So I said, hey, I'm going to give this a shot. Let people know about it. I've got the tin from them. Really nice people. It's a small little a couple running the whole entire thing out of San Diego, and it comes in looking like this. And oh, it smells good. It smells like coconut and beeswax, and it's cosmetic grade, so you could actually just rub it in your hands and not worry about anything like that. The directions are to apply it to your board and cover the whole entire surface and let it sit overnight, and then come back and wipe off or buff off the excess. Now, this little trivet I'm making here is for my wife, and it's just a hot pad for the kitchen to match one of the other cutting boards I made her. I had some offcuts, so thought we'd put it together and give it a test. So I'm going to go ahead and rub this all in here, let it sit overnight like they recommended, and then come in and wipe it off and see how it looks. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do the end grains as well across the whole thing. I did do a heavy sanding on this. Again, it's a utility piece, and I already know where it's going. This isn't going to be sitting out on my craft table. It's going to be sitting in my kitchen. So I'm going to go ahead and douse this whole thing down, rub it in, and then follow the exact directions. Let it soak in overnight, and then come back and wipe the excess off. And after I get that done, I'd like to just go over just some of the features and highlights here. And again, they're not paying me to do this. This is something that I just thought would be useful to you guys. And if there's a way we can get it out there, I probably need to put that up on a little block of something, don't I? I should put it up on a little block of something so it doesn't waste onto my table over here. So some of the things that when I actually talked to them, I got my little cheat sheet here. I did a little interview with them, just kind of find out, if I understood the product well. And so this is called a medium chain triglyceride. That's the type of coconut oil used in it. So it has a very long shelf life. The beeswax is all American grade. It's all from American beekeepers, and it's all food grade and sourced all here in the States. This is also manufactured all in the States in San Diego. When we talked about mineral oil, there have been a lot of people talking about leading to gut issues. It's used as a laxative. There's a lot of reasons why you probably wouldn't want to ingest that. And the rest of it, there's no extra scents or odors. It's all, like I said, two ingredients. That's it. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a full shot. We'll wipe it off tomorrow, see how it looks, and then I'll get some feedback from the wife, see what she thinks about it. And till then, guys, I want to let you know, Rosano's wood butter.